We're back. Okay. This part's on projects. So projects are they're like technically another file in Inventor. Basically how they work is you put them in a folder, and they help. Oh my gosh, I keep burping. Anyways, they basically help you organize all your files for a project you're working on for like a mechanism. Yeah. So that your files aren't all scattered over your computer and you don't have to. It also makes it so that every time you save a part, instead of having to go through all the folders to save it where you want, it automatically opens up to, if you're on your project, it automatically opens up to that. I can't think. It automatically opens up to that folder. Gosh, I couldn't think about that. Sorry. So basically, and you'll want to make a project when you make that shooter. And basically how do you make a project is first open up File Explorer, go to your drive. If you have a robotics folder, probably go to that. I have a robotics folder. Make a new folder, probably title it like side shooter. I don't really care what you call it. Something that makes sense. Don't do something stupid. Save it. Know where it is. And then go to projects, click new, do new single user project, press next, name it the same name as the folder, and do it without a space, and then click this little button right here. This will make it so it'll ask you to go and find where that file is. So it's on this PC, or mine is. It's on my C drive. And then it's in my robotics folder. And then where is it? Right here. Side shooter. Press OK. And then press finish. Oh, I already have files open. Hold on just one sec. Alright. Now we're back. Okay. So yeah, new single user project. Project name, side shooter. Go find it on the computer. So this PC, C drive, robotics, side shooter. Press OK, press finish, and there you go. And then this is where all your projects are. Make sure you have side shooter selected when you start, and then that's how you make a project. We'll go into the next video, and then yeah.